Okay, so since we already talked about the astrocytes and the oligodendrocytes forming that myelin sheath, let's kind of talk about the myelin sheath just a little bit. So first of all, it saves the neuron a lot of energy. So the myelin sheath's main function is to wrap around it, and actually it really helps to speed up the impulse. So if you go back to the very first slide of this quizzes, you can see that the electrical impulse has to go from the dendrite down the axon to the axon terminal. And so when it does that, it happens really quite fast. But the myelin sheath actually makes it go faster. It kind of concentrates the energy so nothing's lost from the neuron, and so then it can travel very, very rapidly down that particular axon. It also helps damaged or severed axons regenerate, but that really depends on the kind of animal. And then there's humans, we have trouble with regenerating our axons very much. They tend not to want to do that, but it can help to protect it, gives it a little extra strength. And there are some diseases that actually destroy the myelin sheath, for example ALS and multiple sclerosis. So those diseases actually target the myelin sheaths, and as that occurs, as that damage occurs and the myelin sheaths are destroyed, those nerves are simply not able to transmit the signals the way that they used to. And so it's actually an extraordinarily important part.